Alright mate, yeah, let's have a look here. AVAX, now you posted this last night, I was away, just back catching up and everything. So I've got a few charts here. The fact that AVAX over here on the left has kind of powered through that, you know, it's a very good sign. Ethereum did have a good move up into it and above the white 100 before failing and rolling back over, right? It failed and rolled back over. This was because of COVID. So that's always a worry. That's the worry that we do get one more flush, right? That is always the worry. Now, this is an older chart here of Sol. These stuff are, yeah, don't mind all this stuff. I'm just looking at the move up here. Let me delete all that stuff actually, so there's no confusion. So you can see where AVAX is sort of there. AVX is on this power move up. Now, what Sol done, because of the strength on Sol, it consolidated and well, it's going higher this week. So is AVX gonna consolidate here and get a move higher because of the strength of this move, because of the strength of this move? So it's definitely interesting. I hold AVAX. We'll go back there. You know, you can kind of compare the two of these. Maybe I shouldn't have done it on such a big window, a big screen, but I just wanted to fit the three of them in so we can kind of look at the differences between them. This has a big move up, and see this big break through the white 100. It's a huge candle. It's a big candle. It's a powerful candle. It's got volume. AVAX is doing something similar here, right? So in a way, because of the strength of the move, this probably should have some pullback for a buy to then go higher again, right, and consolidate a little bit like this consolidation here. That's what I'm thinking at the moment, because of this strength. Now AVAX is a beautiful move. I'm not in at the exact lows, but 265, I'm in down here somewhere. I'm not too sure exactly. I need to check my price again, but I'm up very nicely on my position. I'm continuing to hold at this point. Now ideally, you can see here when you finally break out above the white 100, you can see that the bear market was over, and we got the big move higher. Now, another important thing I want to talk about is if I look here, you see the white 100 moving average, and you can see that 100 candles in, right there. You can see 100 candles in the red 200 moving average formed on the chart. This, I suppose, it caught the eye of institutions, and it would allow people to buy because you can see the red 200 formed, and then we got a big move, right? So AVAX, I didn't draw that exactly precise there, so you can see it's got many weeks to go yet. It is it's got 30 weeks, it's got half a year left before the red 200 forms. And just for the record here on Sol, it's just good to check it from memory. You can see 74 bars as well. Still half a year left, but it's setting up. It's setting up very nice. This white 100 moving average is going to come down and curl around, just like it did here. Look at the way it curled around on Ethereum. It dropped and curled right round. You want price to get above that, and obviously start holding above that. If you start holding above that, you can get big moves to the upside. So in my opinion, at the moment, most of the move is done on AVAX. I think it needs consolidation like this. So yes, there can be one more little push up here on a new week, which you can see here was a bit of a stop hunt, and then we dropped down again. So most of the move is probably done, and then I'd like to see a dip then for a push higher. Now those dips are opportunities. Like you can see here on this dip here, if you bought that dip in Sol, that's still a 50% bounce, right? It still was another 50% bounce. So instead of buying up here, if you wait to get that dip, if you wait and get a dip back down here, some dip back down over the next couple of weeks, should be a buying opportunity for then one more, well, not one more, but another push higher. That's the way I would play it at the moment. I'm still holding. I'm expecting some sort of consolidation in this area, more than likely, and probably something to play out like Sol.